Salar Digital spoke to former Union Minister and Deputy Chairman Rajya Sabha Dr. K. Rahman Khan on key political narratives shaping Karnataka's landscape. As CM Siddaramaia's budget faces criticism from the opposition as an appeasement or halal budget, Dr. Khan provides his perspective on the allocations for minorities. He also addresses the growing tendency to equate minorities solely with Muslims and the rising Islamophobic rhetoric in political discourse. In a telephonic conversation with Salar Digital, Dr. K. Rahman Khan dismissed allegations that the budget prioritizes minorities at the expense of SCs, STs, and OBCs. He also highlighted the need to challenge the selective targeting of the Muslim community in political discourse and shared insights on countering divisive narratives designed to polarize society. Sir, as the opposition has labeled CM Siddaramaia's 16th budget as appeasement and a halal budget, how do you respond to allegations that
No,
the
it is
allocation?
it is the it
Huh.
is the mindset of communal forces
Mm-hmm.
who would not for for the affirmative actions the
Mm-hmm.
government takes to set right the any requirement for a particular section
Mm-hmm.
which will remain backward.
Mm-hmm.
It is the affirmative action, not
Mm-hmm.
an appeasement. Because
Mm-hmm.
after all, what is that the government has done? They have increased the budget from 3,500 to about 4,500 and odd. But
Mm-hmm.
just by giving about 1,000 crores,
Mm-hmm.
they take it as an appeasement. They,
They also call it the halal budget, sir.
and that is
Mm-hmm.
they are. I mean, such communal elements, it
Mm-hmm.
is unfortunate, are there in our society.
Mm-hmm.
And when they can, the crores of rupees are wasted.
Mm-hmm.
And when what is it? But they have given budget, they have given more for education.
Mm-hmm.
And they have promised to have, when it is a well-known fact that the Muslims are educationally and economically backward. They
True.
need support.
Mm-hmm.
It is their constitutional right.
Mm-hmm.
But these people who is they're always communal. They think every angle look from the anything given to a community
Mm-hmm.
which is backward,
Mm-hmm.
because they have the RSS mind. They
Mm-hmm.
don't want the Muslims to progress.
Yes, so there is also a growing trend where minority is often equated solely with the Muslim community, leading to political and social misinterpretations. Why do
Yeah.
you think this perception persists,
This is what
particularly
because it
among
is minorities.
opposition parties?
There is
Huh.
the minorities include, there are seven types of categories of minorities, and
Mm-hmm.
the budget addresses to all of them.
Yes, true.
It's not only to Muslims.
Hmm.
And there is 250 crores is given to the Christians also, to
Hmm.
the Sikhs also, and the
Then
Buddhists
why this
also.
perception persists, sir,
No, that is
particularly among
no,
opposition
no.
parties?
Right from the beginning,
Hmm.
a particular section, political parties
Hmm.
have always tried to disturb the peace of society, and
Hmm.
by alleging that Muslims are this whatever given to the Muslim is an appeasement policy.
Okay, so from
Because it is nothing to do with their social conditions of the various people. It is
Mhm.
they are only talking about the anything they look from the communal angle.
Yeah, everything, almost everything. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So from love jihad to halal, Islamophobic narratives are
No,
frequently amplified in public
see,
discourse.
if similar things are such words are uh,
Hmm.
uttered by the Muslims on
Mhm.
they create a communal uh, they because they call it a communal budget.
Hmm. So, do you believe such rhetoric is strategically used to polarize society, and how should the government counteract it,
The
sir?
government has done their
Hmm.
duty.
Hmm.
They have, and the chief minister rightly said, we have promised that we'll pay you 5,000 crores, the
Hmm.
minorities.
Hmm. Hmm.
And it is already state promised in the election, the manifesto also,
Hmm. Hmm.
that the budget will be increased for the minorities to and to
Hmm.
set up more schools,
Hmm.
more establishing skill centers and all that. Why
Hmm.
should they be worried about it?
Yes. Thank you so much, sir, for
Thank,
talking
thank,
with
thank,
Salar Digital. Thank you
thank,
very much.
thank.